continuation class of last video. Now you know how to pass only one parameter as a list to this particular plot in order to draw a frequency plot, right? So that now if you see here, x-axis has been designed by the system, y-axis only the taken by the system as we pass this particular y list items has been now taken in y-axis, so that the system automatically generated this particular graph, right? Now using this program you are going to make a definition. In the last videos, the beginning of the first video, if you see here, you could know that how to define a particular definitions. We are going to use a particular definition now over here. So def is a keyword to start any function or definition of Python. So you have to now give any function name. I'm just going to say that function plot or anything. I'm just going to pass this particular list 1. This is what a function. Now I'm just going to copy paste these things, cut and paste those things inside this particular graph. So here too you need to give indent. Okay, now we are going to pass this list 1, and you have in the main program you have to call this definition with the parameters list 1. What's the meaning of this? Now this is what the main program, and list has been now produced by the system. Now we are the users, we only have to produce a particular list of items. Now we are going to pass this list into this particular function. This is the function name we are calling. In main program you have to call a function, right? So this is the function name, and this is the parameter of function input, so that now the function has been now declared by you. That def is a keyword of any function. If you want to write any function, you have to make this def as a keyword, and this is the name of the function, and this is a parameter which you are going to pass into the function. Okay, so that now here this has been now executed by the system automatically. So the system will take main program initially, so list will be now passed to this particular function as the input parameter, so that it will be called off here. So this line will be now executed by the system. The same output will be there, but you are going to use particular function. You're calling that particular function with some input parameters. Okay, this is what a program today you are going to learn. So how to write a function in order to call particular list to be executed by the system to draw a graph. That is what the thing today you are learning. Press F5 to execute it. Now you see here you got the same graph, but the thing you have written a little different coding. The thing is you are learning definition, so that this is the definition you are going to write. Today you are going to learn how to write a definition, how to write a main program. In this particular main program, how to call this particular function. Fn plot is a function name, so calling with that particular name with the one input has been passed over there, so you also have to pass one input, that must be a list over there. So now list of these numbers has been now passed over here. So beginning the system will be taking main program initially, so that from the main program the computer compiler will be executed. So list 1 will be now passed in this function plot. After this particular definition will be called in the main program, so that the definition be called by the system. So it will plot against this particular list of numbers, and title, labels, y label, everything has been now declared by the user. Here you are the user or the programmer, you only have designed everything. So according to that the plot will be now shown over here. Okay, this is what the thing we have seen. So So today you are going to work on this particular environment. You have to do so many plots with single inputs